Let's add a Breakroom breakout area to this region. Open the region editor and choose the breakout area from your inventory, and then add it to your region. Move and rotate the breakout area to meet your specifications. Once you're done, click the Save button to save your changes, and then click the Reset Zones button to reset the conferencing system. Breakout areas are designed to set themselves up automatically, and will have their details auto-generated whenever we place them. But we are now going to change some of the important details on a breakout area. When placing many breakout areas, the auto-generated display names may not be enough for you to easily recognize them. Change your desired display name and then click Save, Reset Zones, and observe the changes. Now you need to find the room furniture component of your breakout area in the inspector and expand it. The room furniture component contains several properties that directly influence how a particular breakout area looks and behaves. Let's modify 3 more important properties of this breakout area. If 2 breakout areas or voice zones are assigned the same zone ID, users in those areas will be considered to be within the same zone regardless of the distance between them. Give your breakout area a new zone ID number, click Save, Reset Zones, and observe the changes. When a breakout area's zone name is in the format of Breakout X, where X is a number, that means you want this area to appear on the breakout room's bar at the numbers position. Next, change your breakout area's zone name. Click Save, Reset Zones, and observe the changes. When you change a breakout area's zone color, this color will be applied to the actual breakout space and will also be used as the teleport button background color in the breakout room's bar. Now change your breakout area's zone color, click Save, Reset Zones, and observe the changes.